All right, for these series of videos, we're going to be looking at the C major pentatonic scale. In addition to just the one shape that most of you might be familiar with, we'll be looking at all 5 shapes for the C major pentatonic scale, covering all the fretboard. If you haven't done so already, I have a series out there. This whole series is called Meet the Pentatonics. I've done the A minor pentatonic scale and the 5 shapes. We're doing this in C major. Why C major? Well, because in the key of C major, the relative minor is A minor and vice versa. If you're in A minor, the relative major is C major. And you'll see how that they interact up, up and down the entire fretboard. The 5 shapes we're going to be doing, if you've already done the minor series I've taught, the shapes are exactly the same. It's just where we position them, but we're not going to worry about that right now. We're going to go over the shapes themselves, the 5 different shapes. In this particular video, we will be doing just shape / box number 1 for C major pentatonic with the root right here on the 8th fret 6th string. And we'll start with that. I will have links to the other videos as well, so you can always jump back and forth, as you go through these. But again, we're going to be talking strictly C major pentatonic. Again, C major pentatonic with our root starting on the 6th string on the 8th fret. Let's get into it. Again, we're going to just talk about the memorization and memorizing the scale shapes. And then from there, we'll go more into the theory side of it. Okay, so let's get into shape number 1, C major pentatonic. We will be starting on the 6th string, 8th fret, right there, okay? So let's go through shape number 1 for C major pentatonic. Now keep in mind, 2 notes per string when we're working with the pentatonic scale. So 6th string, we're going to go 8, 10. The 5th string, we're going to go 7, 10. Same thing on the 4th string, 7, 10. 3rd string, we're going to go 7, 9. On the 2nd string, we're going to shift. Now you can shift fingers. Sometimes I just keep the fingers moving, so it's 1 fret per 1 finger per fret. But we will go 8, 10 on the 2nd string, and then we're going to go 8, 10 on the 1st string. And if we do it all together, and if we go back up, it'll be 10, 8, 10, 8, 9, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 8. Okay, again, C is our root, and there's a C note right there. So again, going from the 6th string to the 1st string, it'll be 8, 10, 7, 10, 7, 10, 7, 9, 8, 10, 8, 10. All right, and that's memorization for shape number 1, basically, C major pentatonic scale. Again, we'll come back up. And there you have it, shape number 1 for the major pentatonic scale. So that shape is the same no matter what key you're in, but we are in C major. That's why we started here on the 8th fret of the 6th string. C major pentatonic scale. All right, stay tuned. We're going into shape number 2 soon.